Starting a perfume business in Kenya is one of the most promising small business opportunities for people who want to enter the beauty and personal care industry. Perfumes are no longer considered products only for the wealthy. Today, many Kenyans from different income groups use fragrances daily for work, school, social events, religious gatherings, and special occasions. This growing demand has created a good opportunity for entrepreneurs who want to earn income by selling quality fragrances. The perfume business can be started on a small scale with little capital and expanded over time into a large and recognized brand. You can begin by selling perfumes online from home, operating a small kiosk, opening a shop, or even becoming a distributor supplying other sellers. With the right products, good customer service, and effective marketing, a perfume business can become a stable source of income. One of the biggest reasons why many people choose the perfume business is the attractive profit potential. Many perfumes are purchased at wholesale prices and sold at a higher retail price. Depending on the quality of the perfume, source of supply, and your target market, profit margins can be very good. Some customers are willing to pay more for fragrances that are long-lasting, unique, and beautifully packaged. Before starting your perfume business, it is important to understand the market. Market research helps you know what customers want, how much they are willing to spend, and what your competitors are offering. Visit perfume shops in different locations, observe their products, ask questions, and study customer preferences. This information will help you decide what type of perfumes to stock and how to price your products. There are different categories of perfumes that you can sell in Kenya. Original branded perfumes are popular among customers looking for premium products. These perfumes often require more capital because they are more expensive to purchase. There are also affordable inspired fragrances, which offer similar scent experiences at lower prices. Another popular category is Arabic perfumes, which are known for their strong scents, luxurious packaging, and long-lasting performance. Many entrepreneurs also sell perfume oils and refill perfumes because they require less investment and allow customers to buy small quantities at affordable prices. The amount of money required to start a perfume business depends on your business model and the size of your operation. A small home-based or online perfume business can start with approximately 10,000 Kenya shillings to 50,000 Kenya shillings. This amount can be used to purchase initial stock, bottles, packaging materials, and marketing materials. If you plan to open a physical perfume shop, your costs will be higher because you may need to pay rent, buy display shelves, invest in branding, and obtain the required business permits. A larger shop in a busy commercial area may require an investment of 100,000 Kenya shillings or more depending on the location and size of the business. Finding reliable suppliers is one of the most important steps when starting a perfume business. Your supplier affects the quality of your products, your pricing, and your business reputation. You can buy perfumes from local wholesalers in Kenya or import them from international markets such as the United Arab Emirates, France, and Turkey. When choosing a supplier, always consider product quality, authenticity, prices, delivery time, and customer reviews. Counterfeit products are a major challenge in the perfume industry. Selling fake or poor quality perfumes can damage your reputation and cause customers to lose trust in your business. It is important to work with trusted suppliers and test products before purchasing large quantities. Building a reputation for quality can help your business attract loyal customers who will return regularly and recommend your products to others. Packaging plays a major role in the perfume business. Customers often judge a product based on its appearance before they even test the fragrance. Attractive bottles, neat labels, quality boxes, and professional branding can increase the perceived value of your perfumes and allow you to charge better prices. Even affordable perfumes can look premium when they are packaged professionally. Choosing the right location can also influence your success. If you operate a physical store, areas with high human traffic such as shopping centers, busy streets, near universities, and commercial buildings can provide access to more customers. However, a good location usually comes with higher rent, so you must balance the cost with your expected sales. Many successful perfume businesses in Kenya now operate online because digital platforms have made it easier to reach customers. You can market your products through social media platforms, online marketplaces, and your own website. Posting attractive photos and videos, showing customer testimonials, sharing perfume reviews, and educating customers about different scents can help build trust and increase sales. A strong brand identity can make your perfume business stand out from competitors. Choose a memorable business name, Create a professional logo, use consistent colors and packaging, and develop a unique selling point. For example, your brand can focus on affordable luxury perfumes, long-lasting fragrances, imported Arabic scents, or customized perfume collections. Customer service is another important factor that determines whether your perfume business grows. Customers appreciate sellers who are honest, friendly, and knowledgeable about their products. Take time to understand customer preferences and recommend suitable fragrances based on their tastes and occasions. A satisfied customer is more likely to buy again and tell friends and family about your business. Marketing should be a continuous activity, even after your business starts making sales. You can use special offers, discounts, loyalty programs, free samples, and referral rewards to attract new customers and retain existing ones. During holidays and special celebrations such as weddings, birthdays, and festive seasons, perfume sales may increase because many people buy fragrances as gifts. As your perfume business grows, consider expanding your product range. You can add related products such as body sprays, deodorants, body lotions, scented oils, gift sets, and skincare products. Selling complementary items increases the amount of money customers spend during each purchase and helps your business generate more revenue. Managing finances properly is essential for long-term success. Keep records of your expenses, sales, and profits. Separate personal money from business money, and always reinvest part of your profits to increase stock, improve marketing, and expand your operations. Good financial management helps you understand whether your business is growing and where improvements are needed. Operating your perfume business legally is also important. You can register your business with the relevant government authorities and obtain the necessary permits depending on your location and business structure. A legally operated business builds customer confidence and makes it easier to work with suppliers, financial institutions, and other business partners. Competition in the perfume market is increasing as more entrepreneurs recognize the opportunity in this industry. Instead of fearing competition, focus on providing better value to customers. Offer excellent customer service, maintain high product quality, create attractive packaging, and build strong relationships with your customers. The perfume industry is influenced by changing fashion and lifestyle trends. New fragrances become popular regularly, and customer preferences may change over time. Successful business owners keep learning about new products, popular scents, and changing market demands. Following industry trends allows you to introduce products that customers are interested in buying. One effective strategy for growing a perfume business is creating a loyal customer community. Encourage customers to leave reviews, share their experiences, and recommend your products to others. Word-of-mouth marketing remains one of the most powerful methods of attracting new customers, because people often trust recommendations from family members and friends. Another way to increase profits is by purchasing products in larger quantities once your business grows. Buying in bulk can reduce the cost per item and increase your profit margin. However, avoid purchasing excessive stock before understanding which fragrances sell faster, because some products may remain unsold for a long time. Patience and consistency are necessary when building a successful perfume business. Like many other businesses, it may take time to establish a customer base and create a strong brand. Entrepreneurs who remain committed, maintain quality, and continuously improve their marketing strategies are more likely to achieve long-term success. In conclusion, the perfume business in Kenya offers a great opportunity for individuals who want to start a profitable venture with manageable capital. The demand for fragrances continues to grow as more people invest in personal grooming and self-expression. Whether you choose to sell original perfumes, Arabic fragrances, refill perfumes, or perfume oils, success depends on understanding your customers, finding reliable suppliers, maintaining quality, and promoting your products effectively. With proper planning, dedication, and good business practices, a small perfume business can grow from a simple side hustle into a successful brand serving customers across Kenya and beyond. /span/p/body